Creating spaces and buildings has just always been interesting to me.
Now that I'm in this class, it's becoming more of a reality than a dream.
This academy puts you a step ahead. It's really set me on a path of career that I really, really like.
The Architectural Design Academy is a program designed for 11th and 12th graders to kind of be an introduction to the careers and the profession of architecture.
This is a fantastic curriculum that gives students an exposure of what they can see in architectural schools and college, also what an office environment is, and getting beyond just playing with the computer and designing something to what may actually become something real.
This isn't just a drafting class, but it's actual design program. So you're gonna come in with like actual design ideas about the world. You're gonna get very smart perspective, and you're gonna get industry access.
Year one is really designed around kind of what studio and architectural schooling is going to feel like. So we tend to spend a lot more time working with sketching and just the design process. From that, we kind of move into concept modeling. We utilize a lot of different software packages.
I've learned how to use this program called AutoCAD. I've learned Revit.
We've done computer drafting, we've done hand drafting.
How to draw floor plans, how to look at a given project and like read all the problems.
And SketchUp models, 3D modeling with chipboard, so actually like cutting and creating the models.
So our design has now grown into this really, really polished, finished presentation model. Ends up being a capstone project presentation where we introduce them to about 30 to 40 architects that come in and critique their work. From that, they're selected for their internships.
I'm looking forward to the internship in 12th grade because that's a way for me to see how the skills that we've used in class are applied in like professional settings.
I'm doing an internship right now. They're trying to build a new era by 2028. We're gonna be like the first people who actually start on the project. They can use our designs.
That's a very rare opportunity, particularly at a high school level.
I love everything we've done. It's really fun to look at the different aspects of the career.
I'm very big on urban design. I see how that affects communities. I'm originally from Puerto Rico, so I would like to take what I'm learning here and then take it back home. Even if you build one building for one person, that one building for one person isn't a singular event. You just affect a lot by being an architect.
It's not just a one-man job. You are working with other professions as well, like the engineers, the electricians, the plumbing.
Architecture is an extremely broad field, and it is a terrific mix between art and science.
Students that are looking for a creative outlet typically fit in very well.
Since I've taken this class, I have an edge over those who have never taken an architecture class.
They're going to go into college at a much higher level than a lot of other students may, and they may come out of college with a much higher level of experience.
I came in knowing some of the vocabulary that would get me through, so I could just focus on design instead of focusing on the nitty-gritty.
Another benefit is that they have the opportunity to earn college credit while in high school, which will save them time and money once they get to college.
I feel like this academy is preparing me, and I'm definitely more ready to take on architecture.
Focus on your future with the Career Academies. For more information, contact us today.